Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kawasaki FR691V starter is probably one of the most reliable and powerful starters you can find for your small engine, ensuring quick and easy starts every time, and this video will provide an in-depth review of its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right starter for your needs. Number 5. Kawasaki Starter Replacement. This is a replacement starter for various Kawasaki models, ensuring a reliable and powerful start every time. It's designed to meet or exceed original equipment standards. It fits a range of Kawasaki engines, including FR691V, FR730V, and many more. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your equipment. We manufacture this starter to meet or exceed original equipment standards, guaranteeing reliable performance and longevity. You can trust its quality. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is paramount. We're here to support you and resolve any issues you may encounter. We use high-quality packaging to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Your satisfaction is our priority, from manufacturing to delivery. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. If any quality issues arise within the year, we'll provide a satisfactory solution. What we like. This starter meets or exceeds original equipment standards, ensuring reliable quality. It also comes with robust packaging to guarantee perfect condition upon arrival. If you value quality and peace of mind with a 1-year warranty, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Starter fit perfect and had plenty torque to crank my mower. This starter worked great on my 54 Hustler Raptor with 23 horsepower Kawasaki motor. Perfect fit for Toro SS 5000 with the Kawasaki 23 horsepower 691V. Number 4. OEG Parts Kawasaki Starter. This is a brand new, high-quality starter motor, designed to seamlessly integrate with your Kawasaki Cadet mower. It's built to meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. It's compatible with a wide range of Kawasaki Cadet models, including the Z460, RZT54, RZT50, LTX1050, and LTX1046, covering model years 2012 to 2014. Check the description for the full list of compatible models. This starter boasts a 12V voltage, rotates counterclockwise, CCW, and has 10 teeth. While mounting hardware isn't included, it's a simple, direct replacement for your old starter. It's manufactured using premium components, ensuring reliability, durability, and peak performance. It has been rigorously tested to meet the highest standards. This is a direct replacement part, making installation quick and easy. Get your mower back up and running in no time. This starter is compatible with a wide array of part numbers, ensuring you find the right fit for your machine. Check the product description for the complete list. What we like. It's manufactured with new, premium components and is engineered to meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. This ensures a reliable, durable, and high-performing starter. If you need a dependable replacement that performs as good as the original, consider this one. What people say. Mine fit like OEM. Quality appearance. Bolted right up like the original. Working great. Easy to install. No issues after install. Lawn mower starts right up with no issues after replacing. I have rebuilt electric motors. Before installing, I checked this starter motor for build quality internally, and found it of higher quality than the OEM one my mower came with. I'm very pleased. Number 3. Kawasaki FR Series Starter. This is the new premium starter, designed for Kawasaki small engines. It's compatible with several popular models and offers superior performance. It seamlessly works with various Kawasaki FR series engines, including the FR600V, FR541V, FR691V, and FR730V. This ensures a perfect fit and reliable starting power. This starter is a 12-volt, 10-tooth, permanent magnet direct drive motor. It's built for durability and efficient starting. It undergoes 100% computer load testing to guarantee reliability and meet or exceed OEM specifications. You can trust it to start your engine every time. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. We're confident you'll be satisfied with its performance. It replaces several common part numbers, making installation simple and straightforward. Get back to work quickly and easily. What we like. This is a premium starter that meets or exceeds OEM specifications and comes with a 1-year warranty. It's also 100% computer load tested for reliability. If you are looking for a high-quality, long-lasting replacement with excellent testing, this is for you. What people say. Arrived on time for the mowing. Appears to be quality manufactured. The starter fits and works perfectly. Good product, quick and easy install. Number 2. Kawasaki 12V Starter Motor. This powerful starter motor is designed for Kawasaki 4-stroke engines. It's built to provide reliable starts, even in tough conditions. It's compatible with various Kawasaki models, including the 15 HP and 18 HP engines. Check the description to see if it fits your engine. It features a permanent magnet direct drive system for efficient and reliable starting. This ensures a quick and easy start every time. With its 10-tooth counterclockwise rotation design, it's perfectly matched to your Kawasaki engine. It's precision engineered for a perfect fit. It meets or exceeds OEM specifications and comes with a 1-year warranty. It's rigorously tested for reliability and performance. This starter replaces several part numbers, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution. It's the perfect replacement for your worn-out starter. What we like. This starter features a permanent magnet direct drive, ensuring efficient power transfer. It also boasts a 1-year warranty and is 100% computer load tested. If you prioritize efficiency and reliability backed by a warranty, this is a great option. Number 1. Gladiator Kawasaki Cadet Starter. This powerful starter motor is designed for Kawasaki and Cadet applications. It's built to meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications, ensuring a reliable start every time. It provides the same performance as the original equipment. You can trust it to get your engine running smoothly and efficiently. It's compatible with a wide range of Kawasaki and Cadet models. Check the part numbers to confirm compatibility with your equipment. This high-quality starter motor is offered at a competitive price, providing excellent value for your investment. Get the performance you need without breaking the bank. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Enjoy worry-free performance for a full year. It is designed for straightforward installation. You can get your equipment up and running quickly and easily. What we like. This starter meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer specifications, ensuring reliable quality and a perfect fit. It's backed by a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. If you want a reliable replacement that's built to last and comes with a warranty, this is a great choice. What people say. Straightforward installation and it works well as expected. Starter worked great for me. The short circuit was energized. The sparks flew but starter did not crank. I took old one apart and the magnets were in broken pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.